Hello everyone, here we are going to start with a new topic that is linear inequation. Now अभी तक हम लोग ने पढ़ा था linear equation. Equation means we are going to use the equal sign. जहाँ पे हमने linear equation पढ़ा, we have used this equal sign. But here we are using inequation. In case of the inequation, we are having the signs such as greater than, comma, greater than equals to. It can be smaller than or smaller than equals to. So these are the different signs of inequation. Inequation means they are not equal. They can be greater than, they can be smaller than, they can be greater than or equals to, they can be smaller than or equals to. In case of the greater than, the given value is greater than that value. In case of the greater than equals to, it will be either greater or equals to. Okay, and similarly for the less than also, but it will be not be given that they are equal to each other as we were using in our previous exercises. One thing I want to add before starting with the exercise, that the questions of this exercise is also solved as we were solving the questions of the linear equation, but here we are not having any provision for the division of a number by a negative number. किसी भी number को हम लोग negative number से divide नहीं कर सकते. Okay, so if we are going to divide, so we are going to change the shape. अगर वो greater than equals to या greater than है, in that case it will become less than equals to or less than. So हमें shape का change करना पड़ जाता है. So हम इस चीज को एक रूल बना लेते हैं that we can't divide. पहले डिवाइड करने से पहले हमें उसे पॉजिटिव करना होगा और पॉजिटिव करने के बाद हम लोग उसे डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. फॉर इलस्ट्रेशन अगर हम ये लेते हैं -7x इज ग्रेटर देन 14, तो अगर हमें इसको इसे डिवाइड करना है तो सबसे पहले हम इसको इधर भेजें और फिर इसको इधर ले आते हैं. दैट इज वी विल बी राइटिंग दिस वन एज 14. अगर इधर आता है तो ये हो जाएगा -14 और ये सेम साइन रहेगा और ये 7 उधर चला जाएगा, दैट इज 7x. एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिवाइड इट, that -14 upon 7 is greater than x, and here -2 is greater than x as your answer, or we can say x is smaller than -2. हमारे पास एक और ऑप्शन है that we have to remind that अगर हम किसी नेगेटिव नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं तो इसका हमें फेस चेंज करना पड़ेगा. here it is greater than sign, so it will be having less than sign, और हमारे पास जो आंसर होगा इसका वो निगेटिव में हो जाएगा. अगर पॉजिटिव है तो निगेटिव हो जाएगा, अगर निगेटिव है तो पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. देन 14 अपॉन 7, ये 7 यहाँ पे नीचे आ चुका है. now 7 into 2 and this will become x is less than -2. so here both of the answers are correct. here again x is less than -2 and this is also x is less than -2. but I always suggest to use this one. यहाँ पर कोई confusion नहीं होता है because हमने एक कॉन्सेप्ट ही बना लिया कि हम किसी भी नेगेटिव नंबर से डिवाइड नहीं करेंगे, और अगर हमें डिवीजन की बात आती है तो पहले हम उसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे इन अ पॉजिटिव फॉर्म बाय मेकिंग अ ट्रांसपोज एंड देन वी आर गोइंग टू डिवाइड इट. नाउ लेट्स बिगिन विद द एक्सरसाइज. नाउ लेट्स गो विद एक्सरसाइज 12.3 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, in which we have been given with this set that will act as a replacement set, and we have to find the solution set for all of these. Now the first question we have been given that x is greater than -2. So x is greater than -2, we will be taking the numbers which are greater than -2, and this is -1, 0, 1, 3. Then in the second case it is x is less than -2, तो इसके लिए हमारे पास सेट हो जाएगा जो -2 से छोटे हैं, that is -3, -5 and -7. then we are having x greater than 2, 2 से बड़े मैं ओनली हमारे पास 3 है. then next one is x is greater than -5 but it is less than equals to 5, तो ये हो जाएगा हमारे पास greater than -5, यानी कि 5 को इंक्लूड नहीं कर सकते हम लोग. we are going to take -3, -1, 0, 1 and 3 because we have to continue till to 5, और यहाँ पे 5 है नहीं तो हमें उसे कोई मतलब नहीं. we can take till 3. now the next one is x is greater than -3 but less than 1, तो -3 से बड़ा है और 1 से छोटा है, so we are going to take only these two, that is -1 and 0. then the next one is x is greater than 0 but is less than equals to 4, तो 0 से बड़ा यानी कि 1 और 2, 1 and 3 we can take, so 1, 3, that is your answer. now we are moving to question number 2. here we have to represent a set on a number line. हमें number line पे represent करना है, and the question is x is less than equals to 4 and x is a element of natural number. so natural number as we know that natural number begins from 1. So हमारे पास जो इसका solution set, जो इसका graphical form होगा वो भी 1 से start होगा, but it will be less than or equals to 4. So here we have taken the number line. अब यहाँ पर हमें इसे represent करना है x is less than equals to 4, यानी कि we can take 1, we can take 2, we can take 3 and we can take even 4 because हमें 4 को include करना है. So this is the graphical representation of this set. Now let's move to the second part, that is x is less than 5 and where x is the element of whole number. तो सबसे पहले whole number क्या होता है? Whole number is starting from 0 to the infinity. So सबसे पहले हम इसका line बना लेते हैं and here we get the number line for it. और यहाँ पर less than 5 यानी कि 5 को include नहीं कर सकते. We are going to include from 4. So 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Now let's see the third part. Here we are having x is greater than equals to minus 3 but it is less than 3. And it is a case of integer. Integer में negative number भी होता है और positive number भी होता है. Here x is greater than equals to 3. This means minus 3 is going to be included. और इससे बड़ा है so minus 2, minus 1. But it should be less than 3. That is it is going till 2 only. So ये हमारे इसके representation हो गया set का. Now here in question number 3 we have been given with this set as a replacement set and we are having the solution set as this one. Now here we have to represent this one in a number line. Now here we are having the number line और हम इसमें वो numbers plot करेंगे जो इस set में आते होंगे और इसमें भी present हो. So here x is greater than equals to minus 4. So we are going to take minus 4, minus 2, 0 and 2 because we have to take the numbers less than 4 also. So it should be greater than minus 4, greater than equals to minus 4 and less than 4 also. So we've got only minus 4, minus 2, 0 and 2. And we are going to plot these numbers only over here. So minus 4 we have got, minus 2 we have taken, 0 we have plotted and 2. So this is the answer for this question. Now in question number 4 we have been given the equation as x less than 4 and we are having the 4 different replacement set और इसमें से हमें इसका आंसर निकालना है या फिर इसका सॉल्यूशन सेट निकालना होगा. So here x is less than 4 और ये हमारे पास एक नेचुरल नंबर की लिस्ट है from 1 to 10. So this will be give you as answer as 1, 2 and 3 because we are not going to include 4. Now in this case we'll be having the answers as minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. So here we get minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Now in the third case it is less than 4. So less than 4 में negative number हम लोग include कर सकते हैं. So it is minus 5 as the set for this one. And then in the fourth part we are having x less than 4. अब यहाँ पे less than 4 में एक भी number नहीं है. So this will be the empty set. And now these are the answer for this question. Now let's move to question number 5. Here we have been given this one as the replacement set and we have to find the solution set for this inequation. So very first of all we are going to solve it by making a transpose, that is 2x is greater than 7 plus 3 and this will be 2x is greater than 10 and x will be greater than 10 upon 2. So x is greater than 5. So x greater than 5 के सारे numbers यहाँ से include कर लिए जाएंगे, that is 6, 9 and 12. That's the answer for this part. Now let's see the second part. Here we are having 3x plus 8 is less than equals to 2. So here we can write this one as 3x less than equals to 2 minus 8 and this will be 3x less than equals to minus 6 and it will be x less than equals to minus 6 upon 3 और इसको cancel out करने पे हमारे पास आता है 2. So x is less than equals to minus 2. So यहाँ से हम लोग less than equals to minus 2 लेंगे. So we are having the solution set with minus 3 and minus 6. So minus 6 comma minus 3 is the answer for this part. Now let's see the third part. Here we are going to first transpose this minus 2 on this side and this will become 2x less than 1 plus 3 and this will be 2x is less than 4. So x is less than 4 upon 2, that is x is less than 2. Now x is less than 2. So we are going to take the numbers 0, minus 3 and minus 6. So minus 6, minus 3 and 0 is the answer for this part. That's all for this video. Thank you.